Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And the cat's like, what the hell, man? So it has been a while since I made kind of like an update video that wasn't about anything in particular. Abstract math has been consuming so much of my time. I've done 80 hours worth of homework in 6 weeks, which is like 20 or 25 more hours than I did last semester. So it's a lot, and I've been working a lot. I applied for the job, the tutoring job, and I have a follow-up interview tomorrow or Friday, haven't been told which, but I also got a job as a transcriptionist, which I can, do from home at my computer and not make a ton of money. It's probably comes out to less than minimum wage, but it's easy money. I don't even have to put pants on. And in the past week and a half, I've made like $130 just, sitting here typing what people say on the internet. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm glad to be done with abstract math. Not because I hated the class, but I'm just kind of over the professor and the fact that he and the TA, who spends more time in class than he does, aren't on the same page about expectations and levels of rigor expected or required, especially for exams and stuff, and the inconsistency in grading exams. Like, two people will have extremely similar stuff and one will get 80% less credit on that problem. It's just been a hassle, and I think everyone's very much over it. And I had an exam Friday, or Monday, today's Wednesday. We have our final Friday, which is comprehensive, and it covers two things which I wasn't taught until today. So it's fantastico. One upside to this week, though, I got all of these for free. So it's like a linear textbook, a bunch of intro to number theory, intro to topology, elementary abstract algebra. Got a pre-calc textbook, because that's one that I don't have. I guess someone in the math department died and he had a massive book and textbook collection, and it's just sitting in the math department in some corner that's easy to walk by. It's like, hey, are these free? And my professor was like, yeah. So I took as many as I could fit in my backpack, and I've gotten several more after that first time as well. So, a good half dozen books. I mean, they're all old, so they're worthless as far as like selling them on eBay or whatever, but I want most of them for reference, and if I don't like them, I can just, donate them back to Goodwill or wherever else, and I didn't lose any money, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said in my past garage video, I'm probably going to be making a little bit less stuff. I do have some stuff in the works, some funny stuff that's not like directly math content related, because I really did enjoy making that Chess Addicts video. I'm going to try and do some other funny stuff, which may or may not include a shit math majors say, and that may or may not have various installments. I don't know. I obviously have to write the scripts for those and stuff, but that I do have a lot more proofs that I can get, a lot more complex, complicated ones, some that dabble a little bit in number theory and intro to real analysis. Which is a big step up from some of the basic stuff we were proving, like the fact that any number times 0 is 0, but I had to start somewhere. So I also have that in the works, but a lot of that I have to transcribe, because I work on a lot of chalkboards at school, and I usually just take pictures of it in the moment, and so I have to convert all of that to like my paper for my reference, and also so that I can write it on the board and make a video out of it. Yeah, next semester is going to be wild. I got two online classes, one of which is my writing intensive class, which I originally took over the summer and then withdrew from. And then I have my two math classes, Intro to Abstract Algebra and Vector Calc. So it's going to be rough, and on top of working, it's going to be like, I'm going to be away from the camera for the most part. I might upload here and there, but no promises. It remains to be seen, but it's probably going to consume most of my time, like, spring did, with having two math classes. So it is what it is. There's been kind of a relatively large influx of new subs, so hi. I do have an intro video on my channel homepage if you want a little bit more specifics as to what this channel consists of and who I am and what I do and what I've done. That would answer those questions for the most part. Otherwise, as usual, you can reach me on Twitter or just leave a comment. I'll probably respond pretty quickly like I do. I do like getting comments. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and we'll see you probably this weekend.